Good morning, one and all. My name is Dr. B. Srinivasulu, Department of Mechanical Engineer. Today we are going to discuss about the production control. So, what actually this production controls here? Okay, how it is deals here? Okay, now coming to what is the meaning of this one? Okay, see here, if I am saying the production control here is it is a deals with your ours is a it is called as a checking the intermediate level, means we are saying the production control is checking the intermediate intermediate level. So here we are saying intermediate level, and means here we are saying that is a it is also called as a, see here, the planned progress equal to actual progress we are also saying, means lacking behind the time, that is all comes in a production control, means we are saying that is a planned progress, means what are the plan we have did, okay, according to the plan we are going for the which is equal to the actual of a progress here, okay. In the same manner, the lacking behind the time, it is also take place here, means we are saying that and this is scratch the schedules here, means scratch the schedule also here, means we are saying that is a very important point. This is deals with your what is actually quality, okay. This is deals with our what is the quality, comma quantity, and time, and cost. These four things with the production control is our deals here, okay. So here our is a very important point here is a it deals with your four things, okay. Now if I say here means control, what is the meaning of here is a control here, okay. So control is production, we know that is from a raw material to the final production, that is a product can be finished product, here we are saying a control production. Now come to the control here. So control is a planned scheduled in case of delivery, expectation time, so loading sequencing, so this all comes in, means what it actually means here, means we are saying this is a product, these things are take place at here, means of a both, okay, production controls of it I'm saying here, means right time, okay, means here right time, okay, right quality, okay, and right quantity, okay, right quantity, okay, here is saying of a quantity at right cost, at right cost we are saying. So here it take place of a controls, means here we are supplying of a at a right quantity at a right time at a right quality at right cost, then our productivity will be guess here is increases here, okay. So in this manner we are increasing ours, okay. So in the same manner, means our we are saying of a quality, when I'm speaking about the quality, quantity, time, and the cost, means to achieve our target, achieve our target. If a simple thing of an introduction part, if I says what is the meaning of a means here, means the production controls is provides the foundation on which most of the other controls are based, okay. That is a, we are saying that is a production, what are the production controls is taken place, means provides a foundation which is the most of a of them other controls are based. Control is described, we are saying that is a containing the activity to follow the path, means we are saying here the control is a described as a activity to follow the path, follow the path, that is your control we are saying, okay, clear. In the same manner, so here we are saying example, if we are driving one vehicle on the road, so we know that is the if it will be move away from that one of a road, okay, we have to go in a path, straight path, if it is moving away from that road, so what happened, due to the steering only. So steering is act as a here example I am saying of in a vehicle, the steering is act as a control here. So in the same manner, what is it? If I say of a definition, okay. So here the definition means of a production of a control here is a function of a management which plans. Means here which is a plans here, okay, which plans, and it may be having a direct control, direct and controlled of an enterprises, so that the specific products are produced by the specific method. Due to the this one, what happens? There will be having a means production control is the function of a management which is having a plans. Means here I am saying that is a plan is a having a management having a this management having a plans and direct and controls, okay, of a material supply, or it may be process activities of an enterprises, so that the specific products are produced by specific method to meet the approvals of a sales program. That is a production control here, okay. And this activity being carried out in such a manner that the labor plan and the capital available are used to get the best advantages. It's clear. Means we are saying that is the labor plan and the capital availability are used to get a best advantage, we are saying, okay. Clear? Now coming to the what how can be taken place here. Okay. See here the production planning. Okay, that is a after the production control, they're having a production planning is taken place here. That's a part of that one. Means routing, scheduling, activity, monitoring. If I am saying about the what is actually this one. So here I am saying the first plan you work your work and then work on your plan. Means here the simple thing is here is a whatever you are having a first in your mind, they will be having a plan, okay, then work on your plan. Without of a planning we can't move forward. It may be anything, it may be a drawing or it may be having engineering, whatever it may be. So there will be having a any of a industries, there will be having a first plan your work in which way we are going, scheduling that one or routing that one and work on your plan. The simple thing of introduction is planning, routing, scheduling, activity, and monitoring. If I am speaking about the here, see here the planning. Okay. Now if I am saying about the planning here, see here is a planning is what to do, how to do it, and when to do it, and who is to do it. So this is a means deciding in advance that what to do, okay, and how to do it and when to do it and who is to do it. So this is by planning, and the planning bridges the gap. Means here when I'm playing when plan is taken place here, so what happening here, we are going to having a what are the bridges, means what is the gap from where we are and where we want to go. So here also means here planning is a, we are saying that is a gap, okay, where we are and where we want to go, and it makes it possible for things occur and which would not otherwise happen here, okay. In the same meaning, the routing means selection of the path. The routing means here the selection of the path, and each part of the product will follow and which being transformed from raw material to a finished product. Means we are just giving the selection of path to complete our task from raw material to the finished product, that is the production. The routing determines the most advantage path to follow from department to department, machine to machine, till the raw material gets its final shape. Example, if I want to do the means I want to means one bolt is there. Okay. So what are the means? First is I am going for the by using of a lathe machine. Okay. By using of a here I am going for the lathe machine. After lathe machine, what happens? Then I am going for the slotting, then shaping, then milling, then drilling. So these are the for one uh, one product for a making of a one screw on that, means one bolt on that one. Okay, so there will be a taken place here. So there is a just of a by using of a lathe by using of a machine tool. I've set the one example for them. Means they are just means the from department to department it is a follows here path, and it may be a machine to machine till the raw material is complete to get its final shape. Scheduling. The very important part here is a scheduling is fixing of a time and a date for each operation, as well as it is determine the sequence of the operation we have followed. In the same manner, activity means here we are saying of a here see here order. So if order means here see here order and instruction for the starting of production here means is concerned with the starting the process activity and release of the order and instruct for the starting of the product means we are just of a release the orders means a activity can be a start means start means initially it can be stated means for any item it is the expectation with the route sheet and the schedule charts. Okay, for anything they will be having a production for production of a manufacturing any manufacturing they will be having a activity means it should be starting the process here means the instruction should be come from that one. Monitoring. Monitoring is related to the report of a daily progress of the work and investigate the cause of the deviation. Means here we are saying of a daily report daily of the progress of the work and whatever the prescribed format and to investigate the cause of the deviation from the planned performance. Now come to the here see this one production. First one is a production planning and control. This is the first one. Now after that we are going for the routing. After routing we are going for the scheduling. After scheduling we are going for the activity. After the activity we are going for monitoring. This is a cycle here. Okay, this is a cycle of production planning and control here. The same manner see here the production planning here. Okay, so see here production op or operation management here means we are saying of a this is a location of the facility, plant layout and the material handling, product design, the same manner product design, process design, production planning, quality control and a material management and a maintenance management. This all comes in a production planning here. The main production planning is the one of the step of sequence of activities here under the production operation and management. In the same manner means we have production of a planning means there will be we have to first of all find out the what are the things are means location we have to find out, then the plant layout and the material in which way, then product design is there, then process design, production planning, then what is the control of that one, what is the material management and there is maintenance management. This all comes in a production or a operation management income means we have sequence of the activity we are saying here. In the same manner, the production planning can be defined as a process of planning of the production of advance. Planning every time there will be a, before of a production there will be having a, some planning should be there before going to any of the final product and setting the exact route of each. Exact of each. Fixing the starting and finishing date for each items. Now coming to the characteristics of a production planning means here for manufacturing process. Okay, means there will be having a it should be having a planning means we are saying of a planning for of a manufacturing process and it will be a question like that what is to be a manufacturing, when it is to be a manufacturing, all types of inputs like material, men, machines. Okay, these are effectively used for the maintaining of a efficiency here. Okay, these all inputs of a here all types of inputs are like material, men, machines. Okay, for the time, cost, everything that is a maintaining efficiency for all of a manufacturing process here. And the various factors of a productions are integrated to use them effectively and economically. Our basic one is a effectively and economically it takes place. So that is the comes in a characteristics of a production planning. In the same manner, the manufacturing process is organized in such a way that none of the work center is either a overwork or underwork. We have to see in a such a way that any of the organization should be a work center in either maybe overwork or underwork. The work is regulated from the first stage of a procuring of a raw material to a last stage of the finished. We have to see that the work of a it should be regulated from the first stage of a procuring of a raw material and a final product. In the same manner, what is the important of this one? The very important point is what is the important of this one here we are saying of a means here increasing the here we are saying of a increasing the production, coordinating the plant activities, and for relation realization of a production of activities here. If I am saying about the increase the product means how can be it will be increases here means here we are saying of a there will be a arrange the various inputs like of a machines, materials, integrating of them for a making their best use. Means we are main purpose of production of a planning is to arrange the various of input means we are increase. That is the reason if you are increasing that one, automatically the production gets increased here. When increasing, machine increases, material increases, integrated means for the best use. For that one, what happens? There will be increase in the production. When various factors of a productions are take place here, okay, are economically used, then production will certainly go up. Effective effects are made. Avoid the production of a stop pages here. Means this for increasing our production means automatically we have to increase the what are the using of a best method of a best use of that one and what are the machine material and what are the economically based. So we have to see all the things so that it will increase our production here. For the coordinating the plant activities here, we are saying that is a synchronized of the for a smooth working means if a production is carried out in a number of a chunks and then their activities are synchronous means we have to see that it will be reducing means that is due to the of a coordination. Okay, the best of a coordinating of a plant activity will be synchronizing of a for a smooth working. In the nothing but with this one of a what happened, it can be when a synchronizing of a smooth working when a smooth our activity can be taken away. Production can means to reach our production of a targets of a for the nothing but a sales for sales forecasting purpose. And the raw material man equipment materials of a are procured by keeping a production and the plant in a view. Okay, in this manner different production activities are coordinated as per the plans here. For a rationalization of a production of activities, regulate the flow of various inputs. In the same manner, system is a plan in such a way that everything is done automatically. The quality standards are followed in a route sub standard products are discarded in the process. For in the same manner, it will be having a means here we are saying of a here also the question is very important is a the for cost control means here the absence of a proper of a production means here if I am saying of absence of a proper of a production of a plant then everything will be a means material equipment and may not be a notice automatically it will be a for the cost control it will affect and whenever the performance is a below of a standard measures and take it away rectify as soon as possible otherwise it is affected means not only for the means it will related to the time and it will related to automatically in the cost. So it will affect on the very effect on the cost here. In the same manner see here a proper plan of the system production will be help in controlling the cost by not only making the full utilization of a various inputs and increase the output and lowering the overhead of the expenses per unit. You have to see it should be having a controlling cost but not only making the full utilization of a various whatever that we are having a inputs of it may be a material or so what happened we should have to be utilized in a various of input of in a certain way only not a totally we have to utilize that one. Okay, the same variance what happened here the last one is a if I am saying of a ensuring of a quality to a consumer means consumer is ensured a good quality of the goods here. In the same manner helps in a rising of a quality standard of a products here, supplies, promote, so sufficient supplies, increase in a productions. Means here the simple thing of a quality of a consumer means depends upon their supply and depend upon their quality. So this all things means this is a simple thing of a, I'm saying of a what is the importance of this means that totally deals with your is a quality, right quality at right time, at right quantity, at reasonable rate, that is a cost. These four things are deals with your what is the important means to increase this one production, coordinating of a plant activity, rationalism of a production activities. This all comes. This is all deals with